You can do it, or not. We are often told that if we want something, we can achieve it, that everything is up to us. But does everything really depend on us? There are some things that humans just can't do, no matter how much we want to. But there are other things we can do, although some people find it easier than others. How do factors like being a girl or a boy, our age, the money our families have, our skin color, or our abilities affect the possibilities to achieve what we want? People are made of many different aspects, which makes us unique, and at the same time gives us unequal opportunities. Even when some people share similarities, like gender, skin color, money, or body type, their experiences can be very different. These aspects influence us, but they don't determine us, as if we were puppets or robots. Even though our context and circumstances influence us, we can write our own story.